Let's talk about serving size in more detail. Sometimes a package may contain multiple servings, so it's essential to adjust your calculations accordingly. Pay attention to how the serving size relates to what you typically consume. If you're having more or less than the suggested serving, make sure to adjust the nutritional values accordingly. Now, let's delve a bit deeper into calories. Consider your daily caloric needs based on factors like age, gender, and activity level. If you're looking to lose weight, maintaining a calorie deficit is crucial, and understanding the caloric content of your food is a key component of that. Turning our attention to nutrients to limit, such as saturated fats, trans fats, cholesterol, and sodium. These can contribute to health issues when consumed excessively. Keep an eye on these values, especially if you have specific health concerns like high blood pressure or cholesterol levels. Essential nutrients are the building blocks of a healthy diet. Look for foods rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber. For instance, fiber not only aids digestion, but also helps you feel fuller for longer, which can be beneficial if you're trying to manage your weight. The percent daily value, percent DV, is a valuable tool. A percent DV of 5% or less means the food is low in that nutrient, while 20% or more is considered high. Use this as a quick reference to gauge the nutritional value of the food you're considering. Now let's get practical. When comparing labels, don't just focus on one nutrient. Consider the overall nutritional profile of the product. Keep an eye out for added sugars. They can sneak into your diet under various names like sucrose, high fructose corn syrup, or even molasses. When possible, opt for whole, unprocessed foods. They often have simpler ingredient lists and are naturally rich in essential nutrients. And don't forget, a balanced diet is about variety. So aim for a colorful plate with a mix of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. So, armed with this knowledge, you're better equipped to make informed decisions about the food you consume. Remember, it's not about restriction, but making choices that align with your health and well-being goals. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, share it with someone you care about, and subscribe for more tips on leading a healthy lifestyle. Until next time, take care, stay informed, and keep nourishing your body with the goodness it deserves.